Let's take a look at this Jazzia metal shower hose that was sent to me by the manufacturer, but that never changes what I say in my videos. These hoses are manufactured to serve as high quality replacements or upgrades for showers, baths, and RVs. Sometimes we realize that the hose that came with our shower head just isn't long enough. Having a full length of hose makes it much easier to clean your shower enclosure or to wash the dog. Or perhaps the old one just fell apart or it was leaking. But whatever the cause, you'll appreciate the details and quality that goes into each of these Jazzia hoses, including the anti-winding interfaces that allow the shower nozzle end to rotate freely and never twist. And while some shower hoses use all plastic or are so thin that they feel plastic, this hose is solid and it's easy to conclude that this will be around for a long time. The exterior of the hose uses 304 stainless steel that's easy to clean and won't corrode. It also won't kink and it won't get twisted into knots. I hope this short video has been helpful in your shower hose buying decision, and thanks for watching.